Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Today is my toy is MTO10. Kita nya robot Transformers. Going to Pipoy. You know Pipoy Kalokan sales. I have to get some item from there. Then I will have to go Pampanga Bike Tech 101. Oh, subscribe kayo. Bike Tech 101. Galing yan sa motor. So then I have to pick up one more my CX-10 are there. So anyway guys, this is for sale. I'm selling this one. Also the CX-10 are. Let's roll. I need to put the gas. No gas. Wow. So now I will go to, let's say hi to Orion, because that is on my way. I will hi to Orion, then going to Caloocan, meet Pipoy. Kuya, then let's get something, because actually the CX-10 I actually sold to one of my subscriber from Davao. So his name is Christian. Shout out, sir. So he is actually 5'1", I guess 5'1" or 5'2". So he asked me, sir, can you help me out to put a lowering kit? So I am going to get a lowering kit. I left the bike in Pampanga yesterday. So before I gave it to him, I have to change oil and everything. So I said, okay sir, ako na lang change oil and all the things. Then I will help him to put a lowering kit and everything. So when he received the bike ready to roll, dapat ganyan. If ever you selling a bike, make sure na it's perfect condition. I don't sell any of my bike if that is not a perfect condition, because you have to understand, some of them they work hard and they're maybe some of them having a first dream bike, and when they purchase from you and it's Sira, that is, it's a bad karma. So whenever I sell my bikes, I will make sure it's 100% okay. So I sell like that. I am not a buy and sell guy. I sell most of them my personal bikes, or if I know the bike, like my good friends, if they ask me, Naj, please help me out to sell, I will help them to sell the bike, but I will make sure the bike is perfect. If not, I will say thank you. I don't want somebody's dream is just to get spoiled just because they are buying a bike from me. So that is a thing actually I do. So this Sir Christian, he is from Davao. So he purchased a bike. He actually not yet purchased. He put some deposit. So he is going to arrange the shipping. Arrange the shipping and everything. So when it's arranged, so I have to send it to him, the bike. But before I am sending, even that is a new bike, that is only 1300 kilometers, but I have to make sure when he received the bike, everything is perfect, and he happy, he is happy. When he is happy, I am happy. You know guys, I always care about people like you. If you are happy, I am always happy. So guys, this is Caloocan Sales Center. Okay, we will find the owner of Caloocan Sales Center. Okay, here everything is there. So my guys, hi sir, hello, hi sir, hello sir, hello, hi sir. In Caloocan Sale. So I have a question for you. If somebody orders online, how the payments, how the delivery, can you explain?
Yes, they have to pay online, and then if they're in from Manila, we do Grab or Lalamove. But if the province, either LBC or AP Cargo. Okay,
guys. So if ever you want to buy something, anything for a big bikes, gulong, or any products you want to buy from Pipoy, just they have a Facebook page. You can message them, or there is a number they can call them. So keep your order, and they will deliver to you. So you can pay by online. So sir, I will just get my products. The link kit, lowering kit, CX10R. So I bought everything from Sir Pipoy. See you sir next time. Okay guys, this is the place. Okay sir.
You're going to ano, Clark na?
Yes sir. Okay sir, thank you. Yeah, just done the toll, grabbing in it. Even though I am from Dubai, there is hard, but sometimes I cannot tolerate here anything. So let's run. Oh, there is one kuya, no? Anong bike niya? Tingnan natin. Parang Suzuki SV. Okay guys, I'll just move. So this one is actually good because you can adjust the traction, MT10, yeah, electronic throttle. So electronic throttle, when you have a bike electronic throttle, you have so many things already they included. So one thing is cruise control. Oh, look at cruise control. I am going press the cruise control, the cruise is on, and if I put select, like I just put a select, so now I can go on 89 kilometers per hour without any hand. It's right now most of the bikes they put an electronic throttle. So it's actually sensor, like an electronic throttle sensor. So what happens is there is you can have so many things include here. So MT10 is a nice bike. It's a very torquey bike. For the beginner, no. Beginner never try MT10 or R1 or something. Just to go slowly by 400, 650, then go 1000. This is actually torquey. I'll show you how torquey this is one. Oh, see. Oh, see. Try lang. I don't do overspeeding. So I'm just showing you how torquey this bike is. So very good bike, recommended. So if you are not a beginner, and if you want a good torque and a good speed, everything, this one is best choice. Best. I think I have to go a bit fast because I told them 1 o'clock. It's 12:23 already. Si Kuya, timing right now. Walang pasaway. Dapat ganyan. Padang pasaway. Chill ride. Well, see you when I exit Mabiga. I will show you how to go to Bike Tech 101 and meet the Willy Boy Chris, the best mechanic. Best. Any bike, any problem, he has a solution. So see you later, guys. Yeah, my usual banking, the NLEX. Usual. This is my usual banking place. Yeah, when you exit NLEX to going to Subic or going to Baguio, this is the place we have to exit for Bike Tech 101. Let me show you the exit. So the exit called Mabiga. So here, Mabiga exit. Pay your toll, then take right. So let me pay my toll. I've done the toll now. Pay the toll. Then take a right. Take a right. Here sobrang lalim ng yung kalsada. Then you will see like maybe 1 kilometer or maybe 1.5 kilometers. You will see on the left side, that is Bike Tech 101. You have to be very careful this area because everybody turn right, left. Oh, see, everybody. No, actually the discipline is very bad here. Si Kuya, tingnan mo. So just to be careful this area because marami pasaway. The tricycle is coming from there, here, some motorcycle come outside. So just to be careful this area. Then like a 1 kilometer or 1.5 kilometers you will reach Bike Tech 101, the place where you can fix your bikes properly. Oh, big bike NK 400. So konting counterflow tayo dito. Mahirap eh. Almost there. I'll show you the place from the road. So when you see barber shop, then you will see Bike Tech 101. So you just take left and I will see you there with the puppy Chris. Take a right and take a left, then put it here. Alright, I have some clients, some friends here, so let me say hi to them. Let me say hi to them. Hello sir. Hello sir. Hi sir. Hi sir. Good morning. Ayan, ito sila sir. Nahintay ng yung bike nila. Mamaya na guys. Let me see where is this mastermind. So mastermind Chris 101. Yeah guys, oh here
Shout out
ito.
kay Dance of Cool.
Ayan, ito si Chris. Bike tech. Oh, ito yung mechanic nila. Oh, tingnan nyo, marami sila, marami yan. Oh, makilang yan lahat. Oh, ito. Lagi tulog. Ayan. Oh, dito. Big bike tech guys. So, I supposed to get my CX Gunnar, BCC Chris. So, maybe Monday. One more ride. Okay, shout out. Oh, sige, shout out sir. So guys, I'll see you on the next vlog. Thanks for watching.